Fabulous stay. Luxury is about details. Staff was absolutely fabulous, taking care of everything before we could ask, but always with discretion. The house is so beautiful, exquisitely decorated and extremely comfortable. Best lodging in Malaysia for us. Exceptional 10/10 stay. Friendly, approachable staff. Welcoming stay. Love the interior of the hotel as well, gave me a fulfilling cultural experience while in Penang. Great stay. Enjoyed everything about our stay there. From friendly staff, comfy bed, nice toiletries, free instant drinks and snacks. Only downside would be that the soundproofing is not the best, but not a big issue. Regardless, we'll revisit if I were to go Penang again. Definitely value for money. Great Penang accommodation. East Indies Mansion is a really nice and historic stay. We really enjoyed our time here, the staff were kind and accommodating. The location was really nice and central as well. Lovely hotel in a great location. This hotel is close to the ferry terminal and the free central access transport bus, free bus around Georgetown. It was so convenient. The included breakfast was different every day but always delicious. Coffee, tea and snacks are available and the staff was friendly and helpful with maps and tips for making it a great stay. I felt safe as a solo traveler, but saw families, couples and friend groups in the dining room, so I think it can cater to anyone. I will be back, God willing. Great location, worth the value, highly recommended. Excellent, lovely environment, a real gem in the center of Georgetown. Very clean rooms and beautiful shared areas. Staff are excellent.